Looking to find the best battery for your electric car? And more importantly, how to choose the right one. In this video, I'm breaking down the secrets to picking the perfect EV battery, whether it's safety, fast charging, lifespan or cost. Engineer Abdelrahman at your service. How can I help? I'm interested in an electric car with the best battery out there. Which should I choose? That depends. Do you want the best in safety, energy capacity, power output, lifespan, cost or charging speed? No worries. Grab a hot chocolate and I'll walk you through it. First, let's talk capacity. Battery capacity is measured in kilowatt hours, specific energy. This is how much energy a battery holds per kilogram of weight or per litre of volume. NMC batteries have a higher energy density, meaning they store more energy for their size. Specific power. This reflects the internal resistance of a battery, affecting power output. NMC generally has a higher power density. What about lifespan? LFP lifespan, 2,000 to 4,000 cycles. NMC lifespan, 1,000 to 2,000 cycles. LFP has about twice the lifespan of NMC, which makes it great for long-term use. And safety, LFP is the safest and handles high temperatures well, which charges fastest. LFP fast charges in 20 to 30 minutes, thanks to its safer profile. And cost? NMC costs about twice as much as LFP. Summary: NMC is ideal for sports cars. LFP is perfect for everyday use. Thanks a lot, Engineer Abdelrahman. My pleasure. And if you have more questions, drop a comment or message and I'll get back to you. So now you know. Whether you're after performance, safety or a long-lasting battery, there's a perfect EV battery out there for you. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and insights that'll help you make smarter EV choices.